Hey everyone, Siddhant here. So it's been since I uploaded my last video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download PUBG for mobile, and I will also test it with the controller and keyboard and mouse. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Also, before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are really close to 9,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. So you can download PUBG on your mobile phone via Play Store. So the link will be down in the description, so you can go ahead and directly download it. It's free and it is the official game. I know you might be surprised. So as you guys can see, this is the official game. You can download it. It's around 700 MB, so you can just download it, and as simple as that, just create a new account and you are good to go. You can play PUBG on your phone. So I will also test it with a keyboard and mouse. So let's try it. So you need a OTG adapter. So if you want to buy it, I will put a link in the description. So as you guys can see, I have connected a mouse and a keyboard and I'm playing PUBG. So as you guys can see, and it works really well. Let me show you once the game is loaded. As you guys can see, this is I have attached a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So as you guys can see, now let the game load. So as you guys can see, you can get all of the control. Not all of the control. For some control you have to touch the screen with the mouse, but it works like a charm. As you guys can see, you can aim it really well with the mouse and stuff like that, as you guys can see. So what I will do, I will just play a game of PUBG real quick and show you guys the gameplay. So as you guys can see, here's the focus on the keyboard. So as you guys can see, this is legit, this is not faked. So as you guys can see, you can aim really well with the mouse, as you guys can see. So I have also tried with the controller, but the controller doesn't work, sadly. As you guys can see, nothing happens when you connect a controller. So yeah, I will show you some gameplay of me playing with the mouse and keyboard, so enjoy. So yeah guys, this was basically it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out. Also, if you want to watch the gameplay, you can watch it.